everyone, Kathy here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Today I want to come on and show you what I've been working on using these little wooden spoons that I ordered off of Amazon. So let me get you turned around and I'll show you what I've been doing. Okay, so first of all I want to say that I did get this idea from, her name is Courtney, Creative on the Cheap, and she does a lot of really cute DIYs. She does all different kinds. And this is the, I think that was the Christmas one that she did. She made fake cookies, she made the little spoons and some cupcakes and marshmallows. So that's where I got this idea from. Alright, so first off what I did is I ordered these little spoons from Amazon. I could put a link in the description box if anyone is interested. And this is what they look like. They're just cute little spoons. Now I have this little drill that I drilled the little holes in the bottom. You don't have to drill holes. That's if you want to make ornaments. So I went ahead and I drilled a bunch of little holes. And then, so you'll need the spoons and you'll need glue that is colored glue sticks I should say. And what I used was the brown to make hot chocolate. So we're making hot chocolate spoons if you want to use them as ornaments, or you could use them on your coffee bar. So I used my little glue gun and I put one stick at a time, because if you don't use it all it's going to be kind of wasted. So I used one stick for, I think it was 5 of these little spoons. Let me show you what they look like. So I put the hot chocolate, yeah. I put I squirted the brown colored glue sticks, just a blob in the bottom here. And then I did order these little fake, sprinkles. I don't know if you could see them without me spilling them all. Let me take this down. So the little fake sprinkles that I ordered those off Amazon. So when the glue is wet, obviously not dried yet, you put little sprinkles on them. And then with my Cricut machine, I cut the word out gingerbread and I put that there. Now this one doesn't have a hole. I'm just going to set these near my coffee bar, hot cocoa bar, or if you want, you can make a little, I used the baker's twine. And like I said, I drilled a hole to make these cute little spoons. I think they're adorable. You can put them on your tree or the hot cocoa bar. And you can use any kind of sayings you want. I got gingerbread. I did some in green. I got let it snow. Another gingerbread. I used red, green, and white. The white you can't really see as well. But I thought they were so cute. So I'm making a few for myself, for the tree, my hot cocoa bar, and I'm going to send some out to my grandkids, I think. You could even personalize them and put their name on there. You could write it on. You could use stickers. But, yeah, you'll need the spoons, the little sprinkles, and the glue sticks. I actually bought this pack. I mean, you can get them off Amazon. I bought this package here with all of these really pretty colored glue sticks on Temu. I think it was $8, something like that. So I thought that was a good deal, and you can use these for many different crafts. So I can't wait to make more. They were fun to make. I mean, you just, like I said, you just put the glue on there with the little sprinkles, and that's it. And I can put links in the description box of where I got the little ornaments, and not the ornaments, the little fake little, there's little peppermints there. There's peppermint sprinkles. They had the red, white, and the green little gingerbread guys. Super cute. Now this is a different project I made. I got these little cute gingerbreads on Amazon. They're just flat. They're like a silicone. And I got these beads on Amazon. And I made myself a cute little gingerbread beaded garland. And let me get you a better picture of these here. These are all the fake little sprinkles. They came in a package of all those different assortments. And then I have these cute little gingerbread people that came in a package also from Amazon. You could use those as ornaments too. So I just want to show you guys what I've been up to. And I can't wait to make more of these. They are super cute. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.